All right. Today we're going to do a few things. We're going to do grammar close. All right. And we're going to do our steps to write a composition. Don't worry, you're not writing a composition. We're just going to go through the steps. Okay. All right. Let's do grammar close now. This is what I want you to do. There is, two slides. This is what I want you to do. Wait, let me stop share. All right. Do you all have, these are two things that you need to have right now. You need to have paper and pencil so that you can write down the answers. And do you have either an iPad or a mobile phone? All right, so go and grab, or you can even do a screen capture. All right, so this is what's going to happen. I'm going to show you two slides with 10 questions. It's a grammar close with helping words, and I'm going to give you 5 minutes. You're going to take two screen captures and you're going to start writing out the answers. Later, when it's time for me to give out the, go through the answers, we're going to mark, and I'm going to ask each one of you how many marks you got. All right, because I do not want, especially this is a P6 year, I do not want you all to just blindly do exercises. Every single time that you do exercise, you want to set a goal and you want to see. So out of 10 questions, my goal for each one of you today is to get 8 and above. What is my goal? 8. All right, so let's do the grammar close. Let's see if we can get 8. All right, slide 1. Can you please take a picture of it now? No. Slide 1, have you taken a picture? All right, take a picture of slide 1. All right, I'm going to show you slide 2. Take a picture of slide 2. All right, you have got 4 minutes. I need you to take a paper and pen and start writing out the answers. Later, when I call out your name, we'll see whether we can go through the answers. Okay, 4 minutes. Your target is to finish all 10 and get at least 8 correct. Who is this? Yes, Pinny, what do you need, darling?
I need to take a picture of slide 1 again.
Sure. Okay, start writing your answers, please. Okay, Pranish is done. All right, guys, I'm going to go through the answers now. All right, hang on. I'm going to get some of y'all to see if you can do this for me. All right, number 1, as a journalist, so as I'm going through the answers, can I get you guys to mark? Is that okay? As I'm going through the answers, can I get you guys to mark? All right, as a journalist, I've been honored to interview some exceptional girls. Number 1, Javier, could you give me the answer? Just give me the letter.
H.
H. All right, the letter is H, correct? H. Number 2, can I get Pranush to answer it 2?
K.
Okay, well done. Number 3. Caitlin?
L.
Thank you. Number 4, Penny?
D.
And number 5, Tanmay?
B.
Fantastic. So if you got this answer, can you please, if you got this answer, can you please mark H, K, L, D, B? All right. All right. Let's look at number 6. 6 again, Javier. So we'll go in the same order. Javier, Pranush, Caitlin, Pinny, Tanmay.
C.
What do you get for 6?
C.
C for cat. All right. Well done. 7.
Q.
Q. Well done. 8. Caitlin. Caitlin, 8.
P.
Well done. P. And number 9.
N.
And well done. And Tanmay?
F.
S, you got S.
F.
F, yes, well done. All right, so the answer is C, Q, P, and F. Can you please mark? All right, now I just want to get your scores. All right, Javier, can you tell me what did you get?
9.
9 out of 10, not bad. You that my target was 8 for you. Pranush?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, fantastic. Caitlin?
10 out of 10.
Fantastic. Pini?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. And Tanmay?
10.
Well done. Oh wait, Vihan is here. Give me a second. Give me 1 second. I think Vihan has entered. Let's see if he's here. What happened to Vihan? I thought he just came in. Has he left? Give me a second, guys. All right, I think he's joining. Hi, Vihan. Hi, Vihan. Can you switch on your audio? It's a very, very hot day here in Perth. The temperature is 41 degrees in Perth. So we are dying in heat. Vihan, can you hear me? Can you unmute and switch on your video? Hi, Vihan. Can you hear us? Hi, Vihan. I'm trying to, I think his audio is not working. Hi, Vihan. Do you want to leave and come back again? I can't see you or hear you. Oh, I can see you. I can't hear you though. Pinny, how did you troubleshoot your audio the last time?
I used the microphone on my headphone and then I changed the settings. So I use this microphone for the.
All right, Vihan, can you say something, Vihan?
Okay, sorry, I was having some technical difficulty.
Oh, I can hear you. Can you be a bit louder, Vihan?
I was having some difficulties.
Okay, Vihan, can you tell me your name and which school you're from?
I'm Vihan. My name is Vihan.
And which school are you from?
Bukit View Primary School.
Bukit View Primary School. All right, welcome, Vihan. We already started, so we're going to continue again. All right, guys, take out your mobile phones again. You need a paper, pencil, and a mobile phone. So we have already done the first exercise. I need you to do second grammar. And your second grammar also, I need you to aim to get out of 10. It starts with 11, but it's actually 1. All right. So take a picture of the screen. Behind, take a screen capture or a picture with your mobile phone. And then write down the answers on a piece of paper. All right, the second screen. Have you taken a picture of both screens? Okay, y'all start doing. I'll just check with Vihan. Vihan, have you taken a picture of both the slides? Vihan, could you unmute and let me know?
Yeah, I'm trying to join in.
If you've taken a picture of both the slides, take out a piece of paper and start writing the answer for both the slides. As I go through the answers, we're going to mark it. My aim for you is to get 8 out of 10. All right? So we start again. First slide, second slide. Vihan and Pranush, if you're finished, give me a thumbs up. Okay? All right, all done? Sorry, we have to check with you again. All done? Are you done? Vihan, are you done?
Almost.
All right, I'm assuming everyone's done. All right, can we have the answer for 11? Pirates are criminals who attack at ship. The most famous pirate sailed the seas from the late 1500s to 1800s. A common symbol of piracy, 11. Yes, Tanmay? Tanmay is raising her hand, yes?
F was.
F, all right, thank you. 11, F. 12, Javier?
Number 12 is D.
D for dog, well done. 13, as I'm giving the answers, can you please mark 13? Caitlin?
13 is 13, right?
Yeah. Can't hear you, what? Caitlin, I can't hear you. I can't hear you, Caitlin. Do you want to speak out again? Anybody can hear Caitlin? Oh, Caitlin, there's something wrong with your audio. All right, Naman Pranush, can you give me the answer for 13? And 14, we can give me the answer.
G.
Pranush?
G.
14? Bihan 14?
For 14, the answer is M.
No, not. What was the answer? What answer did you give me? Give me the
M.
letter. Give me the letter.
The letter is M.
L. Thank you. And 15. Can I get Javier? Can I get you?
T.
T. And there's still one more person. Caitlin. I haven't heard from Caitlin. Caitlin, give me 16.
K. K.
Yeah, got the K already. There's still one more person I've missed out. Who's that? Javier. Pinny. We haven't heard from Pinny. Sorry. All right, this is the answer. FDGLPK. Mark it. All right, the next one, Pinny will answer. 17. Pinny.
A.
Pinny answer 18 as well.
B.
Okay, 17A, 18B, 19. Caitlin.
J.
And 20, Pranush.
M.
All right, sorry, Tanmay. All right, so this is the answer. ABJN. Can you please mark it? ABJN. All right, I'm going to stop share. All right, could you all tell me how much you got? Let's start with Javier. Javier, how much did you get for this section?
10.
You got 10. Pranush?
10.
10 as well. Well done. Caitlin got 10 as well. Fantastic. All three of you all have gotten full marks. Tanmay?
10.
Fantastic. Penny?
10.
Fantastic as well.